Prediction on the price of Bitcoin as BTC breaks through the $30,000 resistance level. What level may BTC reach this week? The price of Bitcoin is at $30,558, having dropped by just under 0.50% on Sunday. Bullish investors aiming to keep Bitcoin's price above $31,000 were taken aback by the US SEC's recent denial of applications for Bitcoin spot price ETFs. In other news, CBOE and Coinbase have resubmitted spot Bitcoin ETFs, but the SEC is still being cautious. The successful recovery of billions of dollars worth of assets by FTX has also had a favorable effect on Bitcoin pricing. Stay tuned as we study the elements affecting Bitcoin's price fluctuation and analyze the prospective trajectory of the cryptocurrency. SEC remains wary as CBOE resubmits Bitcoin ETF with Coinbase. In response to the SEC's concerns over compliance, the Chicago Board Options Exchange, CBOE, has resubmitted 419b4 filings for spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs. An important change to the surveillance sharing agreement for these ETFs is the addition of Coinbase as a partner. A notable development is the inclusion of Coinbase as an SSA partner in CBOE's filings, especially in light of BlackRock's prior identification of Coinbase as an SSA partner. Despite having approved a number of futures ETFs, the SEC is still dubious about the sponsors of spot Bitcoin ETFs' ability to guard against manipulation and guarantee investor safety. The market would be affected by the regulatory body's circumspect approach. Market participants are evaluating the chances of a spot Bitcoin ETF within the regulatory environment, and ongoing discussions and modifications, together with Coinbase's engagement, may have an impact on investor sentiment and possibly the price of Bitcoin. Money recovered by FTX has a positive impact on Bitcoin prices. An important development is that FTX has successfully recovered almost $7 billion in liquid assets and is still looking for further assets. The extensive mixing of assets, however, has complicated their recovery efforts. The plundered client assets are presently valued by the FTX debtors, which also includes FTX and its affiliates, at $8.7 billion. Fiat currency and stablecoins make up the majority of this sum, $6.4 billion. Investigation results rule out any chance of inadvertent commingling because they show that the old FTX leadership purposefully misappropriated consumer money. The price of Bitcoin, BTC, has increased as a result of this news, limiting weekend losses. The FTX's recovery of sizable assets has probably given market participants more confidence, which has helped BTC prices. Price prediction for Bitcoin. When examining the technical analysis, it is clear that Bitcoin still has a long way to go before clearing the $31,000 barrier. A good breakthrough at this point can open the door for subsequent goals at $32,500 and $34,000. Bitcoin may be under pressure to fall towards the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level at $28,700 or potentially the 50% retracement level at $28,000 if it fails to hold the critical support level of $30,000. Additionally, any decline in the price of Bitcoin may encounter notable resistance at the $28,000 level, which is the location of the 50-day exponential moving average.